U.S. bankruptcy court, this item was removed from your credit report. Delete it. As you can see, over a 138-point FICO score increase. Now, there's a reason why we have the #1 credit restoration company in the United States.
Stop the cap.
Now let's backtrack to how they got to that 791 from a 635 credit score. Now, again, I just want to show you these updates to paint a picture. So as you can see, as these.
All right, so this is where I want to point something out to y'all. So we know the bankruptcy got deleted. Now a Macy's account got deleted, and a couple more accounts he's going to show in the video as well. But what he's not showing you is everything got deleted at the same time on Experian. Now, the chances of that happening is less than slim to none, because the bankruptcy is a separate investigation. The Macy's account, the Capital One, they're all separate accounts. And they're not going to all investigate them all on the same day and give you the results on the same day as well. The only way this works is if you're doing identity theft or the human sex trafficking, which I'm not sure if that works. But be careful, y'all. Don't fall for these scammers. Hope y'all have a great day.